And now we need to fuel the covered truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. That's all. Let's deliver wheat seeds to the field. We made it! Keep it up! We need to